Hello guys, welcome back again to FrameFix Zone. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a tear face effect in Adobe Photoshop like this. First of all, duplicate the main layer. To duplicate the layer shortly, you can use keyboard shortcut Ctrl J. Now select the below layer and create a hue and saturation adjustment on top of this layer. Inside the panel, check on the colorize option first. Now enter the same value as I'm inserting for hue and saturation, and it is 190 for hue and 35 for saturation. To see the effect, you can turn off the eye of the first layer. After that, turn it again and select the first layer. Now zoom in the photo a little bit and then select the lasso tool from the toolbar and make a rough selection over the face as it will be looking like a tear face. I am speeding up the process for your convenience. Now create a mask in the selection and then press Ctrl I to make a negative mirror mask. Now go to the blending option and make a drop shadow inside the selection and keep the value I am keeping for this drop shadow. For the drop shadow, set the amount for angle 42, distance for 13 and spread 13, and the size will be 16. I am keeping this amount for the sun rays, as the sunlight is coming from the right side, so I am changing the direction. Now create a new layer and go to edit and then select fill, and from the fill you can select 50% gray option and then press OK. Now create a clipping mask below the layer and change the blending mode from normal to overlay. Now select the dot tool from the toolbar and then zoom into the photo to see the edges of the tears. Now try to highlight the edges of the area very carefully. I'm speeding up the process for your convenience. Now I am using curve to give extra depth to the blue inside area. You can do it the same thing by using level adjustment. Now I am using color balance adjustment to bring the golden tone over the image. I am using the hue and saturation adjustment again to increase the golden tone. Set the amount around 20 to 25. Now zoom into the photo a little bit and select the first hue and saturation adjustment layer again. Now select the white box and use brush tool. And keep the foreground color black and drag over the teeth area. And also do the same thing for the eye, which will remove the blue color over the eye and teeth. So that's it for today's video guys, and I hope you have learned something new. To get this kind of amazing videos daily, you can subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so whenever I upload any new videos you will be notified. So that's it for today's video. Until I come back with a new one, keep creating.